Weather's been kind of crazy the last few weeks. We've had warm temperatures, cold temperatures, snow, even tornadoes, rain, freezing rain, frozen roads, plane delays, massive road blockages. Well, we're going to make Shirley Temples, and all that weather and all those problems, that can all just stay outside. It is said, but not a fact, that a bartender at Jason's restaurant in Hollywood made the drink for Shirley Temple, since she was underage, only 10 years old, and couldn't drink alcohol with her folks. A host of others claimed that they were the inventor of the drink, like the Brown Derby in Beverly Hills and the Royal Hawaiian Hotel in Hawaii. Regardless, Shirley Temple was not a fan of the concoction. In an interview with NPR in 1986, she told Scott Simon she was served that drink all around the world. She said she hated the drink because it was so sweet. She'd rather drink milk. In 1988, Temple brought a lawsuit to a company in order to prevent her name being used on a bottled soda. These are the ingredients needed to make the famous Shirley Temple. First, you need a good ginger ale. This is Canada Dry. We all remember that stuff.
And you need a maraschino cherry for garnish. For a splash of color and sweetness, you need grenadine.
Some people throw in a tablespoon of lemon juice. I don't think we're going to do that, but you can do it. Maybe you'll like it better. What a nice place this is.
I know, I like it. It looks very nice. Oh, look, the drink menu. Oh, they have quite the variety.
They do. What should we get?
Well, you know what really catches my eye?
What's that?
A Shirley Temple.
Oh, good choice.
Because I've heard it's for kids of all ages.
And we're kind of kids.
Well, and we're...
Kind of aged.
Yeah. Well, let's order that then.
Okay, well, we'll wait for the waitress to show up and
Good idea.
get it going. And look at this cheese and crackers. I love cheese and crackers.
Good evening. How are you this evening?
Oh, we're very good.
Good. Have you had a chance to look at our drink menu?
Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff on here. We want to get to Shirley Temples.
Oh, that is an excellent choice. That is very popular around here. All right, well, while you're waiting for your drink, why don't you enjoy some appetizers?
Thank you.
All right. 2 Shirley Temples for table 3.
Shirley Temples, order up.
Here's your Shirley Temples. You're welcome and enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Now look, check these out. I even got an umbrella in mine.
I do too. Oh, yours is purple. Mine's pink because I'm a girl.
And I'm purple.
Purple's okay.
Cheers to Here.
Cheers. Let's try it out.
So refreshing.
I taste some grenadine in
Is that cherry?
that. Very similar, yes.
I can taste that too. In fact, look.
We have a cherry in the middle. Oh, this is quite refreshing.
Yes. Cheers, everybody.
Bon appetit.
Have a Shirley Temple.
Yes.
Bye. See you next week.